tells our story. Some clouds out there, blue sky in the middle. Nice summer day.
Yeah, it's nice. We've got some kind of fair weather clouds. What's interesting is in a cooler environment like it is, a cloud drifts over you and it feels a lot different.
Yes, you feel the shift.
Well, hold on a second.
Cooling off here.
Get it back in that sun. And we've got quite a few cumulus clouds on the satellite. You can see them really billow up over the last few hours. This is textbook convective stuff. You look at a loop in Florida every day and you see this, which is the air gets heated, rises up in the atmosphere, produces these clouds. For the most part, they're just fair weather cumulus clouds, but we do have some showers, some sprinkles over the northern half, or northern third really, of the state. So that's something to keep in mind. Might sink down into Bangor, Skowhegan. Going to see a quick sprinkle here. Nothing big. Most of us are dry, and any showers we see move very quickly. Temperatures have been cool. I mean, we're in the low 70s for the most part. I've always thought this Algonquin thermometer is just too warm, and this kind of proves it, right? Today, why would they be 76 as opposed to 72 in Portland? Anyways, we're generally in the 70s, but there are some 60s still out there, even with the mixture of sun and clouds. And if you see a quick sprinkle, as is happening up towards Millinocket and Greenville, temperatures will pin in the 60s, so unseasonably cool through today. Dew points refreshing, very low. But that's the only thing really keeping us from more widespread showers today, is that our dew points are low. So that means there's not a ton of moisture in the atmosphere. So any of these showers are kind of really reaching to get any precipitation down to the ground, and then they're moving out very quickly. Dew points tonight will be a factor in how cool we get. And I think after the rest of today, which has an isolated shower and a mixture of sun and clouds, the story is tonight gets pretty coolish. If you've been sleeping with your windows open, which has been a welcome change from where we've been, maybe don't put them open all the way if you're in a place like Berlin and Rangeley, because by tomorrow morning, I think we'll get into the 30s briefly here, maybe just an hour or two. But it's 5, 6 in the morning in Rangeley and Berlin, upper 30s there. Again, Fort Kent, probably another spot. I could see Jackman getting there. So it'll be cool. Inland will be probably in the mid to upper 40s. The coast will be right around 50, if not upper 40s. But that with a low dew point does feel pretty crisp. That's how the first half of tomorrow will feel, and then we'll pop a few more clouds. Tomorrow afternoon, we should be able to get back into the mid-70s, so a big recovery. And I hate to use this, but it's very fall-like to have these big diurnal swings from overnight lows to our daytime highs. Then we roll into the day on Thursday, and things are looking good there. Again, a couple of fair weather clouds in the afternoon. Temperatures probably in the upper 70s on Thursday, getting a little warmer and a little stickier before our next front arrives, which looks faster. It looks like we might start seeing some showers Thursday night, and then they'll linger through Friday. The good news here is because the front is a little faster, it'll be a little faster. So on Saturday, we'll get this thing out of here more quickly. And I think especially over southern Maine and back into New Hampshire, we'll probably get the whole day on Saturday. And we get at least half the day, even in down east Maine, because this front does move more quickly. Sunday looks good with a mixture of sun and clouds. None of these temperatures are going to knock your socks off. Our warmest day is probably Monday next week into the lower 80s. Average high is about 80. I got to check that. I feel like we should be maybe down to 78 or 79 now. To check if that's automated or not. But either way, the shower chance is really just that Friday time period, and again, late Thursday, maybe into Friday, early Saturday, and then we clear out Saturday afternoon, and it looks nice for Sunday as well. So we get a good weekend in here for the most part. And coastal temperatures versus inland, not a lot of change here. You know, one of the things that drives a big temperature change between inland and coast is a lot of heat that creates a sea breeze. If you're sitting at 72 and the ocean is, in the 60s, you don't have much of a sea breeze. Not a lot going on there. So that's why these temperatures are kind of all the same. Okay. Beach to Beacon Saturday. A lot of eyes on Saturday morning. Yeah, I think they're gonna be dry. Okay. We'll let that one move quickly. Yeah. Sounds good. Keith, thanks.